Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to use Fibonacci retracement tools to analyze stocks on Robinhood. Fibonacci retracement is a popular technical analysis tool that helps traders identify potential support and resistance levels after a stock makes a strong move up or down. Many traders use these levels to plan possible entry points, profit targets, or stop-loss levels. Keep in mind that Fibonacci retracement is only a trading tool and should be used alongside other forms of analysis rather than by itself. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign into your account. Search for the stock you want to analyze. Then open the stock's details page. Review the price chart and switch between different time frames, such as 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, or a longer period to identify a clear price trend. Robinhood's mobile app doesn't currently include a built-in Fibonacci retracement drawing tool. To use Fibonacci retracement, open the same stock chart on a charting platform that supports drawing tools, or use Robinhood's chart together with another charting platform. Identify the most recent significant swing high and swing low on the chart. Apply the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing low to the swing high during an uptrend. For a downtrend, apply it from the swing high to the swing low. The tool will automatically display common Fibonacci levels such as 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6%. Watch how the stock reacts near these levels. Many traders look for signs that the price is finding support or resistance before making a trading decision. Compare the Fibonacci levels with other indicators such as trend lines, moving averages, trading volume, or previous support and resistance zones for additional confirmation. Once you've completed your analysis, return to the Robinhood app. If you're ready to invest, tap trade, then choose buy or sell depending on your trading strategy. Review your order details carefully before submitting your trade. Remember that Fibonacci retracement levels are not guaranteed turning points. They simply highlight areas where price reactions may occur, so always use proper risk management before placing any trade. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.